So hello guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing very well. Guys, today is 9th of June 2025 and I am making this video so I can tell you my daily routine. Guys, tomorrow is my exam of advanced operating system. Okay, first of all, let me tell you my daily routine. So guys, today I wake up around 5:30 after waking up like after completing my morning routine. Today I have only done my advanced OS. And my advanced OS, like the thing is that yeah, I have read the important concepts. Apart from this, let's see what will happen tomorrow. Guys, like I have read K props, B props, all these kind of things, and debugging techniques and all. Like I have to do revision, not revision. I have to learn actually. Tomorrow, I will set an alarm for 4 a.m. and let's see when I will wake up in the morning. I have to wake up, guys, because I have to do revision. I haven't done revision at all right now. It's 10:36 right now, guys, and I'm going to sleep. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Bye bye. Good night.